So the first cultural concept is rakia. It's written with J, pronounced with Y. Rakia. Rakia is actually a spirit. This is our rakia that is made out of grape juice being fermented and then distilled or double distilled and then aged in a barrel. And it is usually served like this and enjoyed from small glass. You would probably ask why I'm talking about rakia as a cultural concept when this is a spirit. Well, that's because almost every family in this region and in Macedonia, in Serbia, in Montenegro, in Bosnia, in Croatia have rakia at home, and they are producing this. It's homemade product. Another thing is that we use it for any occasion, whether it's celebration or there is a sad moment, we use rakia. Also, it's considered to be healthy. So you use rakia when you have sour throat, you use rakia when you have fever, if you have swollen knee, you massage a little bit with rakia. So it's a concept. You enjoy rakia at any moment of time. That's why it's part of our society, it's part of our culture.